Good morning, boys. This is N. Nagendra Prasad, TGT English from TTWURJC Boys, Tirumalayapalam English Medium School. Day 4 Spoken English. Role of auxiliary verbs in spoken English. Half of the English language depends on auxiliary verbs. One must learn auxiliaries for speaking good English. Let's go through the auxiliaries. Auxiliary verbs are of two types. Number 1, primary auxiliary verbs. 2, modal auxiliary verbs. Children, here you need to learn two things. One is spelling of auxiliary, AUXILIARY. Second one, modal spelling, MODAL. We have another modal, MODEL. But here it is MODAL, modal auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary means help. So, auxiliary verbs are also called helping verbs. Now, in this class, let us learn primary auxiliaries. Primary auxiliaries play two roles. You know, children, they have two ways of uses. It's very important. Number 1 is used as main verb. We can use primary auxiliaries as main verbs and used as helping verbs. Auxiliary verbs are helping verbs for most. Primary auxiliaries. In this class, we are going to learn primary auxiliaries only. Look, primary auxiliaries are of three types. Number 1, be forms, do forms, have forms. What are be forms? Am, is, are, was, and were are be forms. Do forms. Does, do, and did are do forms. Have forms. Have, has, and had are have forms. These primary auxiliaries are very important. Moreover, they play two roles. One is as main verb, another one is as helping verb. Modal auxiliaries. The entire, almost all, spoken language depends on modal auxiliaries. Nowadays, modern spoken English. Let us know. Shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, dare, need, used to, ought to, and must. Okay, children. In this class, let's go through the primary auxiliaries. You should learn all these by heart. Primary auxiliaries as main verbs. Let's learn. First, be forms. What are be forms? Is, am, are called be forms. Why should we use is, am, are as main verbs? Number A, to form simple present tense. Example, I'm a teacher. Here, am used as main verb in this sentence. Here, this sentence shows the state of the subject. Let me give one more example. Mr. Roy is a doctor. We can know what is Mr. Roy. In this sentence, is man verb. They are students. These three are simple present tenses. B. To form continuous tense. We have already discussed in the part of tenses in our grammar class what are continuous forms of tenses. Look, I am watching spoken English class. Look here, here am is used as helping verb, not as main verb. In this sentence, watching is main verb. So here, am supports the main verb watching. Understand, children? Good. We are doing practice spoken English now. In this sentence also, are supports the main verb doing. Miss Lata is cooking food. All these three sentences are example for continuous form of tense. And C. To form passive voice in simple present tense. Food is cooked by mother. Telugu novels are written by Yandamuri Virendranath. Children, let us learn in detail about passive voice in our further grammar classes. Okay. Next, do forms. What are do forms? Do, does, did are do forms. Why we use do forms? To form simple present tense and simple past tense. Simple present tense and simple past tense as main verb. I do exercise daily. In this sentence, do is main verb, not helping verb. Just remind. She does homework daily. Here also does is as main verb. They did their project yesterday. The first two sentences are example for simple present tense, but the third one is for simple past tense. Right. To form negative sentence in simple present tense and simple past tense. Examples. You do not understand. Look here. We use not in between do and understand. The positive sentence or affirmative sentence for this sentence is you understand the class. Okay. We have already learned them. He does not come regularly to the class. These two are the simple present tense. They did not pay the bill last month. This is the simple past tense negative form. Next, have forms. The last one. Have, has, had or have forms. A. To form simple present possessive case. Children, it's very important. Possessive case and simple past tense. I have a laptop. Here have is used as main verb. And this is possessive case. Possessive case means something belong to someone or something. She has a red saree. Here a red saree belongs to her. They had two cars. The first two sentences are simple present tense. The last one is simple past tense. To form perfect tense, have, has, had are used to form perfect forms. Example, my father has bought a pen for me. Recent action. They have donated much grains to COVID, to in this pandemic. These two are the present perfect. The last one, Kavya had completed BA before she got the job. This is the past perfect tense. So children, please learn all these primary auxiliaries used as main verbs as well as helping verbs. In our next class, I give some conversations model conversation and give more practice. Till then, do practice well. Have a nice day. Thank you.